All right, guys, I'm back. This time, we're going to show what it's called waterfall scripting. Wait, hang on, let me turn this down. So it's basically, in a nutshell, a series of tones that when you transmit in somebody else's waterfall, it's going to produce words or pictures, images, what have you. So it's something I've seen and something probably I'll eventually dabble with. I don't have the software to do it, but so what I did was I went on YouTube and just typed in RF, well, what did I type in here? Type this in, a waterfall scripting audio. All right. Now this guy, hold on. I'll put a link in the description. So along with these tones, you're going to hear the music. So, okay, here we go. And I'm going to let this play out. It's pretty cool. Like I said, this is from about 11 years ago. Hold on here. Yeah, 9 years ago. All right, here we go. Waterfall scripting. Here we go. I already have this. I'm going to be transmitting this into a dummy load. But yeah, this was into an antenna, and you were on the other end receiving this on a waterfall. This is exactly what you'd see. So, okay, here we go.